Hello, everybody. My name is Michael Kraus. I'm a digital marketing manager here at Vishay, and I work at our global headquarters in Pennsylvania. I'll be your host for today, and I would like to warmly welcome you all to today's webinar, Innovative Solutions to Ensure Electric Vehicle Safety, Reliability, and Performance. Today, we have Mr. GP Ciao, Senior Field Application Engineer, Business Development from Vishay, who will be the main presenter today. In addition, our Vishay experts, Mr. YC Yang, Director of Business Development in Asia, Mr. Daniro Kill, Senior FAE Manager, and Mr. William Ju, Senior FAE Engineer from Business Development Team, are here to assist in answering any questions raised by you in the Q&A module. Before we get into the presentation session, a small reminder that 5 attendees who participate by asking a question will have a chance to win an Amazon voucher worth INR 1,000 each. The recipients of the gift voucher will be informed within 10 working days after the webinar via email. For additional terms on this giveaway, please reference our webinar sign-up landing page. And please note, while we would love to see your engagement in the session and hear questions from you directly, please instead post the questions in the chat using the Q&A module. Some will get answered via the Q&A box and some will be answered verbally. If we aren't able to get to all of the questions today, we will certainly follow up with an email with the transcript of the Q&A. That being said, let's start the webinar. Our presenter today, Mr. GP Ciao, Senior Field Application Engineer, Business Development, is part of the Business Development Team for Demand Creation in Asia and India. He has many years experience supporting design customers, especially customers dealing with power-related applications. It's a joy to have him here with us speaking on innovation solutions to ensure electric vehicle safety, reliability, and performance. Welcome, Mr. Ciao. Over to you.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Good afternoon. Welcome to Vishay webinar on innovative solution to ensure electric vehicle safety, reliability, and performance. My name is GP Ciao. I am the Field Application Engineer located at Vishay, Singapore. Today's webinar, I will cover Vishay products from different divisions for onboard charger, battery management system, DC-DC, and electric motor drive. Okay, first slide, I will show the list of Vishay focused products for onboard charger. Okay, we will have the automotive E and EF series high voltage power MOSFET, the flat PT Gen 5 hyper fast rectifier from 600 volt to 1002 volt, the integrated power module bridge, PFC, and DC-DC, the photo transistor optocoupler, XY cap, the receding fan cap, PTC thermistor, thick film power resistor for pre-charge and recharge, and the last one is a customized standard magnetic for automotive. The next slide, I will show the products for battery management system and DC-DC. We have the high power long side termination thick film resistor for cell balancing, the P-channel MOSFET with ultra low RDS on and small package, N-channel MOSFET in 8x8 power pack, SMD high power and high voltage resistor for pre-charge and recharge, TVS diode for transient protection, photo transistor, NTC thermistor for the battery cell temperature detection, power metal strip battery shunt resistor, the IHLE high current inductor with E-field shield to maximize the EMI deduction. The last one is for the electric motor drive. This is quite similar to the OBC. We have the automotive E and EF series, the flat PT Gen 5 hyperfast rectifier. We do have the low profile SMPC package for low voltage high frequency inverter or DC-DC. The photovoltaic MOSFET driver with integrated fast turn off, XY safety cap, DC link cap from 450 DC to 1002 DC. High pulse load carbon firm MELF resistor for gate driver. High power density surface mount power strip current sense resistor. The last one is the high current through hole inductor. Okay, after showing the list of Vishay products which can be used for EV application, now we will present Vishay product from different divisions. First, we'll introduce Vishay MOSFET for automotive. This slide shows the automotive packet trend for MOSFET. Vishay MOSFET have cross alignment with leading automotive electronic system developer, and the main feature is to reduce the space area by package. Below this show some of the example. Example one is for this the SO8. This package size is a 5 by 6 millimeter. If we change to the power pack 1212, we can reduce the footprint by 66%. Another one is if we change from the D2 pack to the power pack 8 by 8L or power pack 8 by 8LR, we can reduce the footprint by 60%. I will explain more on these two on the following slide. Okay. This slide will show the power pack 8 by 8L package evolution. This package is the wire-free construction. The interconnection design replace all wire with low resistivity component to minimize package resistance and parasitic inductance. For this package, we have two different versions, the standard E suffix and the reverse ER suffix. Okay, what is the advantage for this evolution? As I mentioned previously, the first is the space reduction. Okay, from the package size, you can see here, from the D2 pack 742.5 millimeter cube, we can reduce the 126.2 millimeter cube. While for the height, we can save around 57%. For the footprint, it's a 60% footprint save. And for the weight, is the around 80% reduction from the 1.3 gram to the 0.3 gram. Okay, this slide will show the reverse packaging is the 8 by 8L. The left hand side is the standard package, is a standard 8 by 8L package. The right hand side is the reverse 8 by 8LR package. What is the advantage for this package? First, the heat is direct dissipated to the heat sink. No via is needed in the PCB area of the MOSFET, as you can see here. If compared to the left-hand side, we no need the via. This will relieve the heat transfer from PCB to housing and to help to lower PCB cost and simplify assembly. And this will increase the power dissipation. It's possible due to reduction of thermal resistance. Due to the relief of heat from PCB to housing, the remaining component can be rescaled down. Example, the inductance. Or they can be used with higher power due to better delta T. After seeing the package for power pack 8 by 8 and power pack 8 by 8 LR, now we'll go into some of the application example. The left hand side is showing the synchronous rectifier MOSFET. Okay, for 8 by 8L, we have available 60 volt to 100 volt. The lowest RDS on is a 0.9 mini ohm max at 10 volt. Well, for the power pack 8x8 LR, this is the 3 package available. The maximum RDS on is the 1.4 mini ohm. The right hand side is the available product for the O-ring. All this is in the 40 volt, and the lowest RDS on is 0.53 mini ohm max. Okay, beside lower voltage MOSFET, Vishay also offer high voltage MOSFET for automotive. This slide will show the example for the OBC and the DC-DC. Okay, so for the high voltage, we have these 3 part number available. The RDS on is from 47 mini ohm to 109 mini ohm. The voltage is 650. The package is the TO247 AC. And this slide is showing the application for the battery management system. The top one is for the charge and discharge or pre-charge. We have available in power pack 8x8L from 40 volt to the 100 volt. Well, we have another package available is for the D2 pack 7D. The bottom here is the MOSFET for the cell balancing, for active cell balancing. After seeing the focus product for MOSFET, now we go to the diode division. The first one we would like to introduce is the FLAT PT Gen 5 hyperfast rectifier for 600 volt and 1002 volt. This product we are target for customer on the EV or HEV on board and off board charger manufacturer. However, this is also suitable for application that require extreme efficiency energy management with cost lower than standard silicon carbide diode. Example of the application is like UPS, solar inverter, air conditioner. This Gen 5 is the silicon platform close to the silicon carbide. What is the usage for this Gen 5 hyperfast rectifier? We can use as the PFC stage for the boost diode. And we also can be used as the LLC, DC-DC hub bridge for the output rectification here. Next slide, I will show some of the part number for this application. Okay, this is one of the example for 7 kilowatt to 11 kilowatt onboard charger. The left hand side is the available part number for the SMPD or D2 pack, the SMD package. The voltage is 600 volt, current rating from 15 to 30 amp. The right hand side is showing the package available for the through hole package TO220 or TO247. For this, we have available for 600 volt and 1002. The current rating can be up to 60 amp. For some customer, they may require 650. And for Vishay, we have this part number available for 650 volt. This is only available in the through hole package TO220 or TO247. Current rating is 30 amp and 60 amp. All these part number are automotive certified. But for the 1002 will be complete data. Okay. This year, Vishay have released this new EMP Pack 1B press fit power module. This package is easier to use thanks to the press fit pin. The exposed substrate provide improved thermal performance. The optimized layout also help to minimize stress parameter, allowing for better EMI performance. Currently, there are seven parts available. The voltage rating is from 600 to 1002. The current rating can be as high as 50 ampere. Okay. For this product, we are available with different kind of the topology. Example, for the first one, we are available with MOSFET, dual boost PFC, and MOSFET full bridge inverter. Next slide, I will show one of the example for this application. Okay. Okay, this is an example for 3.6 kilowatt rugged PFC. The primary side, we have this VS-ENM 04060P. This is a 600 volt 40 amp part. This module consists of half control bridge rectifier, both PFC, and also the DC-DC for the primary side. The next is this VS-EMW 30S120T. This is the 1002 volt 30 amp module for the output rectifier. The last slide for the diode division is for the automotive EV BMS. What is the product we can offer is on the protection for this here, and also in this area. Okay, the part number, the series is the PLJ series. This is the 500 milliwatt GNR in micro SMF package. The next is the VTVS series, 400 watt TVS in SMF package. As I mentioned previously, the function for this TVS or GNR is for the IC and MOSFET protection. The advantage is small package, extreme low leakage, tight VR tolerance, good clamping, and with 25 kilowatt ESD capability. Besides these two series, we do have other components available for automotive EV BMS. Example, SMS S3. This is TVS, or this Skokie TMBS Skokie diode. The last product from Vishay Semiconductor division is optocouple. This is the optocouple with the photo transistor output, and is the automotive qualified. This series of product, we have the high CTR at low forward current. Currently, two current rating is available, 5 milliamp and 1 milliamp. And the CTR, this is the CTR available. The package is a small SOP4 low profile package. Isolation voltage is 3750 RMS. Creepage is the 5 millimeter. For some design, customer may require long creepage. So Vishay, we have this VOL 618A, the long creepage part available. For this part is available at 1 milliamp, and the creepage distance is 8 mm. Next is the automotive MOSFET driver. This MOSFET driver is integrated turn-off circuitry. Creepage is mm. The current temperature rating is from -40 to 125. Next is the SSR, solid state delay. For this, we have two part number available. First is the VORA 1100N4. This is a 100 volt voltage. The next one is a VORA 1160N4. This is available for the 600 volt voltage. Both part number available in the small SOP-4 low profile package. And we have finished the focus product from semiconductor division. Next, I will present the resistor product from passive division. We know that for the EV application, we need the current sense resistor to sense the current for the current monitoring. This slide will show the list of the power metal strip resistor. For this slide, we are showing 4 series: WSL, WSL-18, WSLP, WSLP-18. Okay. The power rating is increasing from the left to the right, and this can be helping customer if they if the design change and they want to use a higher power without changing the component. Example, WSL1206. This is the 0.25 watt. If customer design change, they need to require higher power product. They may use the WSL18, which is the same size but higher power rating. Or they can use WSLP1206, which is 1 watt. Okay. Next, okay. For this slide, the highest power rating is the 3 watt. But if customer need higher power rating, Vishay will do offer all this product in much higher power rating. Example, for WSLP 5931, we have the highest power can be up to 15 watt. And also for WSLP, this is for the smaller package, WSLP 3921, the power rating can be up to 9 watt. For some customer design, they may require much higher current rating, and Vishay will do offer this SPX large shunt resistor. This offer in the wide range of package size from 3612 to F536, and we also able to customize. This series of product with very high power rating up to 50 watt. The resistance value is from 25 micro ohm to 1 ohm. Tolerance can be down to 0.1%. TCR as low as 10 ppm per K. Below is an example of this series WSBS. Example for this WSBX F536, the current rating can be up to 50 watt. And the resistance value from 25 micro ohm to 500 micro ohm. TCR is down to 150 ppm. Next, this slide is showing the Vishay IGBT gate driver resistor. One of the key criteria for this gate driver resistor is the pulse handling. On the right hand side, this is a 3 series of Vishay product we are offering for this gate driver resistor. And all of these three series is with the high pulse loop capability. For the first is on the MELF series. Second is on the MCX automotive high power series. And the last one is the CRCWHP high power thick film series. This slide is showing the product available for pre-charge and recharge resistor. And today I want to highlight mainly is on this fuse, which is the very high power. Okay. Example for this LPXA 800, the highest power is 800 watt. Next is the non-linear resistor for automotive. We have NTC, NTC lug, and also the PTC inrush current limiter available for onboard charger. For the inverter and the converter, similar to the onboard charger, we have the similar product, but customer may use the NTC dealer product also. Likewise for the battery management system. Next, we are showing the focus product for inductor. Below show some of the new product series for the automotive. First is the IHLP 775GJ5A series. This is a new case size for high current filtering and the power application. And this is the right size for performance and cost between IHLP 6767 and IHLP S7X7. We do have the white terminal IHLP for extend shock and vibration, can support up to 50G. We do have, if customer require ultra low DSR, we have this IHSR series with ultra low DSR inductor for multi-phase DC-DC converter and stable over temperature, no saturation. The available package is from 1616 size to 6767. Continuous current up to 180 amp. For some customer design, if they have the space constraint, but they don't have the height constraint, customer can use this IHVR, which is similar to IHSR series, but is in the vertical mounting. Next, I will showing the IHLE high current inductor with integrated E-fuse shield. We have the newest and the smallest E-shield inductor to that, which is the IHLP 2020 series. This part have the same performance as the IHLP 2020CZ5A, but with the additional issue to reduce direct EMI by 20 dB. The sample is available now, and the focus application is DC-DC converter, where directed EMI is a problem to customer. For this slide, I will showing some of the customizable standard product for automotive. What is this? This is the baseline size of performance that can be customized to customer spec. Example for the product is like high current, thermal stable inductor, common mode choke, gate driver transformer, hybrid planar transformer, space grade IHLP, the haptic feedback device. What is the advantage for this customizable standard product? This will lower the cost for the customized product and is available from the stock. and a fast turnaround for the sampling and also for the production. The best model is available at Vishay. Some of the best models are available at Vishay Sample Service Center and also the catalog distribution. The last one for today, the last division for today is the capacitor. The first one I would like to introduce is the automotive grade ceramic capacitor, AY1 and AY2 series. The application is an onboard charger, e-compressor, BMS, traction inverter, and high voltage. The feature is this is automotive qualified and we are complying with the IEC 60384-14. For the AY1 series, we are available from 470 picofarad to 4.7 nanofarad. For AY2, we are available from 10 picofarad to 10 nanofarad. And this is IATF 16949 certified. And the PPAP is available. This year, we have the around 5 million USD. And Vishay are the market leader in this ceramic cap. For the competitor, we have the no competitor for Y1 cap. For the competitor, mainly is for the Murata. Below graph is showing the competitive advantage over the phone cap. This slide is showing the target application for AY1 and AY2. For the onboard charger, this is the usage for the AY2 series. And most of the customer will use the AY2 series. The temperature is from -40 degrees to 105 degrees C. Voltage is 85 AC to 265 AC. The next is a traction inverter. Okay. The spec is quite similar to previous one. Is mostly it's a AY2. Temperature is the same, and most of the application is for the 400 volt DC or the 800 volt DC. This slide we are showing the application for the front cap. This is for the EV. For the OBC, we have the F339X1 or 340X1 for the X1 cap. MKP 339X2 or F339X2 for X2 cap. MKP 3386Y2 or F340Y2 for the Y2 cap. We have this MKP 1848 series for the DC link or for the DC filter. And for the resonant, we have this MKP 385E series. For the high voltage AC, we have this MKP 1848 for the DC link. For powertrain, we have this MKP 1849 for the DC link. For low voltage DC, example 48 volt, we have the MKT 1820. This slide is showing the safety MLCC for BMS. This is a usage for the safety cap. This two Y cap, and for this Y cap, common mode noise. Okay. And what is the series available? We have VJ2220, 1 nanofarad, 250 volt for the X7R. And also it's a 2.2 nanofarad. Okay. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for all your attention.
Thank you, Mr. Sia. That was a very informative and great session. Um, the floor is now open for Q&A, and just a reminder, please post your questions via the Q&A module, and the speakers here will be answering them accordingly. GP, there's been quite a few questions asked already, as you can see in the Q&A module. If you want to address some of them verbally here, that'd be great. And again, if we don't get to any, we can always send a follow-up with our answers to some of these questions.
Hold on. I try to open the my Q&A box.
YC,
Sorry.
if you
What is package
have any
size?
answers to some of the questions as well, I know you've been answering them throughout the webinar. Please feel free to chime in here as well.
Okay, I think one of them is what is the starting package size for the high current issue inductor? I think as shown inside the screen, the smallest is the 2020, which is the new package available. We are available from 2020 up to 5050 FH series for the issue inductor. Okay. What is the last time? Okay, what is the okay, for the MOSFET, the part available now is the silicon, but Vishay we have acquired this company Max Power. So lately we may have the MOSFET available for silicon carbide MOSFET. Okay. Okay, I think for the one of them is for the space application. Okay, one of Vishay we don't sell the BMF hardware board, but we may have some of the product offering for the BMS. We don't have the complete product for the BMS hardware board. Okay, for the spice and the thermal model, it depends. Some of the series we have the spice and thermal model available. For this product or for this document, customer can go to Vishay website. It can be downloaded from the website, or not. Customer can contact any Vishay person, be it sales or FAE. Then we will help to get the document for you. Yeah, I think that's all. For the rest of question, I think we'll go through by the email. For some of them, we'll answer to you by the email.
Yeah, that's great. We can certainly send all of the follow-ups via email to all of the questions. Thank you, everybody, for participating. Firstly attending, and also participating by asking your questions. We had a lot of really great engagement today, and appreciate your time attending this webinar. We hope this webinar has been beneficial, and we would appreciate your response to our survey, which will be automatically directed after the webinar. Again, thank you all for attending our webinar. We hope we were able to advance your design challenges today. Thank you once again, and we will be in touch, like I said, with the follow-up about the Q&A afterwards. Thanks, and have a great day.